Okay, so got the holes done. Got the helicoil insert. I want to show you here, and I'm doing this backwards, so please bear with me. So the depth we have here, our maximum depth is, oops, right about 300 thousandths. Am I zeroed? Yeah, right about 300 thousandths. 297. Yeah, battery's going dead. And to show you the depth, whoops, angle that up higher, won't I? Sorry, it's flashing. So I'm zeroed out, and the depth on my holes is 302 on that one, and 298. Yep, close enough. Yeah, if I held it perfectly perpendicular, I'm sure it would be dead nuts. So I'm going to put the insert in. Now, that's the way that goes on. Whoops, come on. There we go. I don't think I'm going to be able to break this tang off. That's going to be the challenge, but I've never used these before, so I don't know. Let's see what this does anyhow. First, can I get it to go in there? Okay, so it does appear to be going in. Okay, going down, 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 and I would say, yeah, I'd say I'm bottomed right there. Okay, so got a little bit. Yeah, so what I'd said earlier, I got a little bit of that sticking up there. Oops, come on, focus. Focus. Oh my God, you suck so much. There we go. A little bit of that sticking up. So what I'd said about maybe cutting it right down here, right, where's it at? This is hard to do. Right here, where that little, yep, just cutting that right down so it'll be down below. I think that would work. So that's fine there. Let me see here. Oh, I'm so unprepared for these videos. Where are we at here? There we go. So here's a quarter 20 fastener. Let's see how that goes in. All right, threads right in. No problem there. Yeah. Okay. Well, that works as advertised. Now, question is, can I break that tang out of there? I do not know. Let me show you. That's going to be the tricky part. That little tang at the bottom. That will prevent. So I'm going to try different methods of breaking that tang. Normally that hole is angled because it is drilled. And also I think they recommend drilling a little bit deeper so you can actually knock that tang out. So I will find out. So, all right, part 2 coming up. Alrighty, so I removed the tang. I tried the punch method. That did not work. I figured it wouldn't. Focus. Come on, focus. There we go. I tried the Tang method. You could probably see the line, or the punch method. Yeah, of course it wasn't good. It just went right straight into the aluminum. So I thought about it, and basically the way I did manage to get it out is to simply take a small screwdriver. These were a little bit, small blade. Put it in there and just work that tang back and forth until, until it finally yielded in, at the point where it's supposed to. And yeah, so okay, put a new battery in here. You're welcome. So here, we're going to measure the entire length of this, and right about, yep, okay, and we're going to zero. We're 0, 0. There. Okay. Now, from there, we're going to find out how much depth we got on here. Actual depth. Here we go. And yep, you can see that. And turn that down till it bottoms out on the aluminum. Feels nice and secure. I mean, just really good. And turn it around like this. Can you see? Yep. And we'll bring that right down. 285. Not bad. So we are 15 thousandths proud, but still, that's good. I like that. I'll live with that all day long. So, next thing. Next problem, or as my friend, teammate Martin Pinner likes to say, it's not a problem, it's a challenge. So, we have this portion here that sticks up above the surface. There we go. Focus. There we go. See how it sticks up above the surface? Let me flip this around here. It'll give you the... Maybe it won't. Oh, there it is. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take a cutoff saw and go right, let me see here, right like this. See where that edge is of this? Let me grab another one here. Come on, right where that edge is. Oh, come on, focus. Oh, okay, I'm moving you down. Piece of crap. Okay, focus now. Damn it. Focus. I'm not redoing this damn video because you refuse to focus, you piece of shit. Okay, I'll just turn the autofocus off since you don't work anyhow. There. Jesus. Sorry, folks. Okay, so this is the bottom side. That's the tang that breaks off. You can see the little indent in there. Okay, what I'm going to do on this top side, right here, in order to reduce the overall height of this, is I am going to take my cutoff wheel and cut it right there, right up next to there. So I'll be cutting that next one down out. So basically one turn of that coil. And hopefully, by doing so, that will reduce the amount that this is sticking up greatly. It should just barely be above there. And just to give ourselves a kind of a, oops. Oh, that's right. Autofocus is autofocus on. Here we go. 0, and I'll just measure the height of this. Here we go. Back, and let's see. Down. 63 thousandths. So let's see what this next one does. Oh God, I hate recording videos. This piece of crap camera. Okay, so as last mentioned, I I went and I'm going to actually manually turn the autofocus off since it sucks. Uh, and you might be able to see where I actually cut it. I cut it most of the way through and then grabbed some duck-billed pliers and kind of wiggled it and snapped it. And this is what I was getting at is basically I removed one rotation of height. So, okay, autofocus back on. There we go. So I'm going to go ahead and insert this theoretically into here. Here we go, and there we go. Okay, so that's the, it's just going to focus. There we go. That's the way that normally goes. Okay, that little cut in there is what they put in there. So when you strike it, it bends it in such a way that it snaps it right at that little point there. That little, you know, cutout piece there. So I'm going to go ahead and try this. Run this in here and see if we are nearer to flush. So here we go. Going in. Wee. And right about there we are bottomed. There we go. Oh, that's nice. That I like that. I'll just show you here. Turn the autofocus off. Yeah, I can live with that all day long. Let me see here. Autofocus. Oops, get it closer. There we go. Yeah, I can live with that. So that's good there. Okay, one problem solved. Autofocus back on. All right, so breaking the tang out, as you can see, maybe. There we go. The tang is, where are we at here? I can't see real well. Come on. There it is. It's down there. Come on. Where's it at? I can't see you. Oh, hold on. I want to make sure you folks see this. So I'll try it in this orientation. Or hopefully and we'll do the whole autofocus by manual thing. Wow, that's really against that one side, isn't it? Oh, yeah, I see it. Oh, that's why it's so hard to see. It's way, yep, it's right up against that side over here on this side. That's why it's so difficult to see. The darn thing. Let me try my... So, I'm going to try to get that out of there. Oh, okay, so it's going to be a challenge getting in there with a screwdriver to say the least, but I'll give it the old college try. If I can just... Oh, man. Let me try the other one. Maybe it's got a little bit more of a point on it here. It's challenging, I will say that. Boy, if I can get in there. Let me try a dental pick. I don't know if it's strong enough to... Wow. Nope. Dental pick? Not strong enough. Okay. Well, that don't work. Be another part to this video. I got to conjure up a solution. Solution conjured. So, even the most mundane and cheapest of Chinesium crap can come in handy. I never throw tools away. This is, like a pointed awl thing. It's not hardened or anything, which in this case is what I wanted. So I hit the end with a file, kind of put a point on it, kind of bent over a little bit, but basically I was able to get that point in there. Give it a hit or two, good old hit or two with a ball penis hammer, and yeah, that Tang has kind of shifted over. Let me see here, and we'll do that. Yep, now you can see it right there. Oops. Now you can see the Tang. Now, in theory, I should be able to get a hold of it now with the screwdriver and work that thing towards the center. Okay, yep, I can see it bending. I don't want to go too far with it. Go, go, go. Okay, now I'm going to go back the other way. Again, I'm trying to break it where that manufacturer thing is. So just sort of back and forth, back and forth. Not the easiest thing to do. Now you'll see why they say to drill them deeper than you need to, so then you can just okay, I feel, yep, okay, I gotta say I felt it yield there. Oh, there it is. There it is. There's that little Tang piece. So, and autofocus off. And there we go. So, let's see. So let's do the measurement test here again. And actually, I do want to do a quick caveman, poor man check. Yeah, boy, if that's sticking out, it's only that piece that I cut there. That's only sticking up mere thousandths of an inch. I'm going to say no more than 10 thousandths, possibly. Okay, right there, 8 thousandths. Yes, I have a good eye for for that. Okay, so we'll check, see if we're getting the same depth that we did on the original. So 1.869 looks like our default. And I'll run this in here. And we shall see. There we go. Seems pretty snug to me. There we go. And down we go. Ooh, 295. Yeah. That works for me. So we're getting as much thread engagement, 300 thousandths. Yeah, so there we go. Success. This is the only way you learn. The only way I learn is by doing. So I'll go ahead and modify these batteries now. I'll do one first. I'll do the entire process on one battery first to make sure that nothing, that something squirrely isn't going on with this material or something, something I didn't account for. But other than that, then once that's done, I'll, hey, rinse and repeat and redo all these things. And I got to tell you that 1/4 inch seems to be, I haven't stress tested it. That's tight. Oh, wow, yeah, wow. Now we know that the 300 thousandths is its limit. Let's see how much more it's going in. Actually, just leave that right where it's at. We'll see how far in. Yeah, went in another, what, 10 thousandths into the actual aluminum there. So, boy, oh yeah, I like that helicoil. Now, if I'd tried to do that on plain aluminum, she'd have stripped right clean out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you could see the bottom of the, oops, there we go. Bottom of bottom of the threads of the fastener. See the aluminium on there? Yep, she buried herself right in. And yeah, we can actually see it if we look down into the hole there. Possibly if there was enough light. I guess you'll have to trust me. It's chewed up down in there. But the thread's held. So, win. Yep, definite win. All right, that's it. Sorry the videos are so damn long, but I know there's at least one person out there that's going to find something in this video useful. And yeah, so there we go. All right, that's it. Terry Andrews Jr., also known as J5 Guru, saying bye for now.